Epicurean features superior cutting surfaces that give you the combined benefits of wood and plastic boards. You get the look and feel of wood with the easy maintenance of plastic. These boards have non-porous surfaces that will not hold bacteria and are even dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. They're also heat resistant up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so they can also function as trivets. You can confidently use your best knives on these Epicurean boards as the surface is guaranteed not to dull the edges. Plus, you can use both sides to further extend the life of your board. Epicurean even offers pizza peels and mash paddles. Most products are offered in both natural and slate colors to best match your venue. The smooth surface and slim design of these boards offer a high-end look, and they also make great serving and display platters. Epicurean boards are proudly made in the USA. They are made exclusively from sustainable materials, making them a perfect, eco-friendly option. Certified by the NSF and the FCS, Epicurean boards are a sanitary, long-lasting addition to any kitchen.